Hello Turkana youth and Kenya at large. First, let me appreciate the unskilled training that I get from East African Institute of Welding. East African Institute of Welding, kudos. I encourage young youth of Turkana County and Kenya, let's use our unskilled training to give back to the community. I'm here, I'm volunteering with the Turkana County government drilling team, where I'm a welding technician of Turkana County government drilling team. And I'm passionate about youth. Why should Turkana youth go for Turkana vocational training, Loyopo, Kaleng Polytechnic, Lodo Polytechnic, another technical institute in Turkana. Turkana County or Turkana County leadership led by Simba. Please, Simba, encourage Turkana youth. Help them. Instead of you giving them money, soft money, just staying at home. Encourage them. Let them go to school. Let them go to TVET. Let them learn mechanic, electrical, and welding, and other technical courses. Also, all MPs of Turkana County, led by Simba, let's empower our youth. Let not encourage them, giving them soft copy. Let them go for this unskilled training. A time will come when the pipeline will start. They will need unskilled trainers. Mechanic, electricals, welders, plumbers, they will need them. When the lab set corridor starts, it will start here in Turkana. A good number of unskilled job will be required. But leave around about business management or procurement. They will need, or accountants. They will need just a few of them. But unskilled training, they will need a good number of them. That's why I encourage Turkana youth. Let's keep pushing, and let's work. This is the work of my hands. I would say I thank God for this skill. And kudos to School of Petroleum Studies and East African Institute of Welding. Thank you. Now I've finished welding this ball, and Turkana community will enjoy. This is one of us. We thank God. Cheers.